Hey guys, I want to show you in 2 minutes how to use MyTradingBuddy.ai to help you trade. So what you're going to do is just have a trading view open like this, and then I'm going to choose one of these AI image drop downs, and I'll choose setup scanner, and I'm going to do auto capture. I'm going to take 4 screenshots, target auto capture, target that tab of the trading view, and then now it's going to begin the process of taking 4 screenshots. Okay, so the auto capture finished, and now we have 4 AI ideas to really look at. So we have a 180 to 10, back up to 287. Then we have 100 to 140, so have to be careful in case it doesn't hold that level. Back up to 287. All the way up here, you can see 180, 190 if that holds, and then 175 if that holds. So now what you're gonna do is you can ask questions to the AI like this. Entry, what should I do, and all the levels, etc. And then now AI will think through all the data and tell me the answer. So do not buy, place a buy limit order at 175. And then I could read all this information right here. Now I'm gonna hop into my chart. Okay, so what we have here is pretty much it touched that 180, which was the first level. Now we could go down to 175 right here, but if we pin, then I'll buy and follow the AI's idea back up to this 287 right here. Okay, so it looks like it's pinning. I'm gonna push a buy.
Order filled.
I'm gonna say that it won't go past that 275 right there. And then let's go back up to this 287 and let's see how it works out.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, we got pretty close to our TP, so I just took it because I got the 1,500 for a top step. And that's how you're going to use MyTradingBuddy. Take a lot of screenshots, use auto capture, get a lot of feedback, ask the AI questions, and then when you see confirmation, trade. And that's how you can pass prop firm challenges with MyTradingBuddy.